It was a well night spent at Restoration Suite 16 Gala, held at the El Carib Country Club in Brooklyn, New York. Here I am going in, and as I do a recap of how my night went, it was a very good night. Celebrating with Restoration Church for their 16 Grand Gala. Here I am taking some beautiful photos with the different sceneries that El Carib Country Club has. Beautiful outdoor. And as I enter, straight to the 360 booth. And now me have to do my picture thing, you know. Get it done. Right this so. Me now, you know, sit at my table, taking picture. Then I had a nice salad. It was lovely.
This is so delicious.
It was delicious. And then back to taking more pictures. You can't see beautiful scene and don't make use of the space by taking some lovely photos. Hey man, picture must take. And do my twirl, and my spin, and I give direction, and from there to my slow motion videos. Again, walk out, Georgia. Walk out. Yeah, just like that. Must enjoy yourself when you go out and look for the nice spots where you can take your lovely photos, your slow motion videos. I'm one who look out for those things. Cool. And here I am with these lovely ladies taking photos. My mannequin session, yes. Girl, I see. Look at that. Hey, come out. Come out. Looking lovely, gorgeously dressed by my dressmaker, Miss Tonja. Yeah, one thing with Restoration, you know, any event they have, yeah, they give you a little gift, which is very appreciative of them. And then it was time for dinner. My first time eating this meal. It was delicious.
I love vodka. Your first time having it? Yeah. It's dinner time. It's my first time having rigatoni and vodka at the El Carib Caterers.
And after dinner, I went straight to the ladies' room. What a bathroom, nice. I am a picture of a tech. I do my 360 turn and take my photos. Right this up. I make use of all of the space then. Yeah. See me there? Take my photograph. Right there, so. And then went back outside into the all area. I'm not lie, oh, just nice. I make use of all of the nice areas in the hallway. Do my photos.
Yes.
Do my tours. And you know, Sister Lorraine was elegant. Just encourage me. Yeah, see me there? Take nice picture. And then what? I have to do my slow-mo. Nice, beautiful flowers in the hall area as you enter into the lobby area. Yes. It was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Look at me walking out. Walk out, Georgia. Walk out. Yes. And as I did my thing out there, I had to take awesome photograph with Apostle Dr. Robert Robinson, the pastor and bishop for Restoration Apostolic Church. And then it was the birthday celebration time. Went back inside, sang happy birthday. Yes, it was a beautiful setting. And from birthday celebration to taking the dance floor doing the one hop.